Picture po.
I'm sorry. Sige, oo. Basta ano na ito.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, kindly introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Air Vargas, Air as in hangin Tagalog, and I'm 22 years old, here in Muntinlupa City, Patatan. I'm currently third year college in our beloved Pamantasan Luzon.
How are you related to Alfred Vargas?
No,
Ng mga
I'm
celebrities.
Not, no, I'm not really.
Your name is Air.
Yes, I am Air.
That's your real name
nakalagay
talaga.
sa-
Wow. Can you give us a background why they've given you here?
Yung mga kapatid.
It's kind of fun, yeah.
What?
Actually, my brother, my little brother, his name is Earth. So my father really wanted us to be the four basic elements, so air, earth, water, and fire. But unfortunately, when Earth was born, my mother and father got separated. So there's only two, air and earth.
Air and
Earth is lalaki mo.
He's a lalaki din po.
Are you a Patrick King as well?
Actually, I joined Patrick many times, but I did not got any
Placing.
no,
Award.
always runners up.
Okay, that's still good. And it seems like you're a gym buff, no?
Yeah.
Conscious ka sa
Yes.
build.
Actually, I am a part-time coach in our gym, so I help people.
In
to get-
Muntinlupa.
Yes, po.
Putatan.